I open YouTube Studio, I look at the views, 62, 115, 82, 149, 24, 27. And then I close it. Because after spending hours researching, writing, recording, editing, finding the fine footage, and creating a thumbnail, sometimes almost nobody watches. And honestly, there have been moments when I have thought, maybe I should just quit. I have been doing this for a long time, video after video. And when you put so much of yourself into something only to see a few people watching it, you eventually start asking yourself a difficult question. Is any of this actually worth it? Maybe you have asked yourself the same question about something in your own life. You are putting in the effort. You are trying, you are showing up, but the results aren't coming. And after a while you start wondering if the problem is you. Now that's where I was. I was so focused on the people who weren't watching that I started forgetting why I started in the first place. I started this channel because I wanted to share what I believe is one of the most important things a person can discover. Islam. I wanted to explain things that are often misunderstood. I wanted to answer questions. I wanted to share stories from the Quran, lessons from the life of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and ideas that I genuinely believe can change the way someone sees life. But somewhere along the way, I start looking at a number on a screen and allowing that number to tell me whether my work was mattered. 1,000 views felt like success. 50 views felt like failure. And then I realized, why am I allowing a number to decide the value of something I believe is important? Of course, I want more people to watch. I want this channel to grow. I want these videos to reach thousands, even millions of people. I'm not going to pretend that views don't matter. They do. But views can't tell me how many people clicked on a video. They can't tell me what happened inside the person who watched it. Maybe someone had a question about Islam and finally found an answer. Maybe someone had spent years hearing things about Islam that weren't true. Maybe someone was searching for guidance. Maybe someone was having the worst day of their life and heard something in a video that they desperately needed to hear. I will probably never know. And that's the strange thing about creating something meaningful. You can see the number, you can't always see the impact. But there is something else this journey had taught me. And honestly, I didn't expect it when I started. I started this channel thinking I was going to teach people about Islam. But somewhere along the way, I realized I was one of the students. Every time I make a video, I have to learn first. I research, I read, I check what I am saying. I try to understand the subject before I ask someone else to understand it. And so many times I have discovered things I didn't know before. Sometimes I start researching a topic thinking I already understand it. And hours later I realize I was the one who need to learn something. I have discovered new stories, new lessons, new meanings. Things about the Quran, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, Islamic history and my own faith that I simply didn't know before. And that changed the way I see this journey. Because these years haven't only taught me how to make a video. They have taught me about Islam. They have challenged me to learn. They have made me question what I thought I knew. And they have changed me personally. And strangely enough, some of the most important lessons that I have learned didn't come from the videos that performed well. They came from the videos that almost nobody watched. That's when I start asking myself, what if I am measuring the wrong thing? Maybe success isn't only about how many people see what you are doing. Maybe sometimes it's about who you become while you are doing it. And maybe that's true for you too. Maybe you are working on something nobody notices. Maybe you are trying to become a better person and nobody sees the effort. Maybe you are trying to get closer to Allah but you don't feel like you are making progress. Maybe you are doing something good but the results are taking much longer than you expected. Don't confuse silence with failure. Just because you can't see the result doesn't mean your effort has no value. And that's something I have to remind myself of every time I open YouTube Studio and see another disappointing number. Because I don't know who is watching. I don't know what they are going through. I don't know what question brought them there. And I don't know what effect a single sentence might have on someone's life. All I can do is make the best video I can. learn, improve, share what I believe is worth sharing, and leave the rest to Allah. So, am I going to quit? No. Not because I know the next video will go viral. I don't. Not because I know this channel will suddenly explode. I don't. I'm going to keep posting because I still believe these messages are worth sharing. And because this journey is teaching me to. Maybe the next video will get 1,000 views. Maybe it will get 100. Maybe it will get 10. But if one person watches it and learns something, if one person sees Islam differently, if one person finds an answer they were searching for, then maybe that video wasn't a failure after all. And maybe the video you almost didn't make is the video someone needed to see. So if you are thinking about quitting because nobody seems to be watching, I understand. I have been there. But don't let the numbers convince you that your effort is worthless. Keep going, keep learning, keep doing what you believe is right. Because one day you may look back and realize the thing you thought nobody was seeing was changing you all along. And maybe that's why I'm still here.